Hi everyone, Becky Schott from Liquid Productions here. I have a really exciting announcement to make. I've been working over the winter with the Wisconsin Maritime Museum on opening an exhibit. So the exhibit is going to be opening on March 18th, 2023, so very, very soon, and it's called Bringing Shipwrecks to Life. And it's going to showcase 50 of my Great Lakes shipwreck images and also showcase some of my photogrammetry models on screen so the public can explore shipwrecks themselves. And taking it one step further, David Schott, my husband, has some of his 3D printed models that will also be displayed along with artifacts from some of the shipwrecks. So I am really excited about this exhibit. I'm even going to be in Wisconsin on April 29th to do a special event, so stay tuned for more information on that. This means a lot to me, this exhibit, because as many of you know, the Great Lakes are my favorite diving destination anywhere in the world, and it's because of the powerful stories and the powerful images that I try to create on these shipwrecks. So I hope you guys will come out, see the exhibit, come on April 29th and say hi, and stay tuned for more information.